How are you guys doing? This is Ryan. Welcome back to the channel. In this week's video, I just want to address why is the crypto market crashing? You guys are probably waking up and be like, oh my God, it crashed so much yesterday, the day before, and wow, we got a big flush out overnight. So what is going on? Why is the price crashing? And what does this mean for the future of crypto? Is crypto over? Let's jump right into it. The first thing that's been really going on for a little while in crypto is it has not been profitable to mine crypto, especially Bitcoin, for example. I think with the current mining difficulty, profitability of mining a Bitcoin was around 66,000. I don't think it's ever really even been this bad to mine Bitcoin. And so miners are losing lots of money. So that leaves them with a couple options to keep their lights on. They can sell off, if they're publicly traded, they can sell off their stock, or they can sell off their crypto reserves, their Bitcoin reserves. And we've certainly seen a lot of selling of reserves. And we know the halving just happened, so they don't have as many coins today to mine, or and to receive and to sell. So they're selling off reserves. It looks like, I don't know if they're selling stock. I can look at their stock prices from publicly traded companies. I assume we'll see some of that getting sold as the price falls. But the sad truth is we need probably some miners to go out of business to lower the hash rate and make mining difficulty easier. So mining difficulty is very hard. That's what makes the price of it so expensive, because there is so much computing power and a hash going towards it, making it harder to mine. And while the price is low, it's just not sustainable. So miners kind of need to go out of business, it looks like, which that's not really fun for anyone. Or it just needs the price to go up a lot and miners to hold on until it can. So one of those two events need to happen, because every day they mine Bitcoin, it's at a loss. So it's just not a sustainable model. And that is creating all kinds of selling pressure. They're probably selling any crypto reserves they have, and it's just what's going on right now. And I'll kind of jump on my thoughts on if that's good or bad for the long term or what have you. Should you be selling crypto? Should you be buying crypto? Not financial advice, just sharing what I'm doing and what else is going on. Right now we're seeing additional selling going on from the Mt. Gox coins. Mt. Gox was an exchange that went out of business in 2013, and they have held coins for that long. So people are waking up super happy that they're receiving coins that were worth maybe, Bitcoin's a couple $100. I believe when it crashed, it went down somewhere around there. So whatever the price was at the time, now their coins are worth a lot more. They're getting Bitcoin Cash. Since the fork happened, since then, it's been over 10 years. These people are getting coins and they're selling them. They deservingly, were forced to hold crypto for such a long time that, they're now extremely wealthy if they weren't already, if they didn't continue staying in crypto, So there's some selling going on there. And I want to get some thoughts towards that I find interesting. When Mt. Gox was going on, Bitcoin was a very different project. Bitcoin was still trying to be a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. So, I think you can see a lot of selling in Bitcoin. You'll see a lot of selling in Bitcoin Cash. But what you could see happen is that even just a small percentage of people that have held on that long, that were believers in the peer-to-peer electronic cash system, that have been in BCH, they're likely to sell their Bitcoin for Bitcoin Cash. Or just even a small percentage would be like super bullish for Bitcoin Cash. I don't know if you'll have people sell their Bitcoin Cash for Bitcoin. I think you may just have they'll just sell their Bitcoin Cash and sell their Bitcoin. I don't think they're gonna, the other way, I don't see it as bullish, but I see it potentially as bullish for Bitcoin Cash, because there's so much value in BTC. When a lot of these people, if you're in crypto, a lot of people in Bitcoin Cash have been in for a long time, and because they were bought into that original vision, and now they're going to get fresh Bitcoins. They allocated just even a small percentage to Bitcoin Cash, because the ratio is so off. It takes I think the ratio, let's say it's points, one Bitcoin Cash is like 0.5%, maybe more than that, maybe a little more than that, than one Bitcoin BTC. So that's going on. You're having a lot of selling pressure going on over there. So you just don't have the amount of buyers to offset the amount of sellers right now. And what happens when that happens? The price goes down. And I saw, I think, somewhere in the German government's selling off crypto. There's just a lot of selling going on. So it's creating a lot of fear because the price is going down. And I think it's a fantastic opportunity. I was worried that, we kind of broke the all-time high around the halving, and it's like, typically it's like after the halving, but we barely broke it. Most coins are not near their all-time highs. I think outside of Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash, most coins are down a lot from their 2021 highs. And this is pretty normal to happen. You don't get the bull market happening right after the halving. You get this run up, buy the rumor, sell the news, a lot of bullish activity, and then you get a time of where that levels out, and this is the flush out, and then you'll just get the real new set economic model will take place after the market really just gets to become a little bit more normal. Let this selling go on, and then the shortage of supply of coins since the halving and demand will stay somewhere near constant will allow the price to go back up. And then when the price goes back up, all these sellers that have sold have already sold, and and it's just you get the influx of the buyers. If the buyers just stay consistent, this type of selling pressure will not sustain forever, and the shortage of supply of coins will continue, and the adoption of coins, which is the whole idea. So am I worried? No, I'm actually pretty happy because I wanted to buy more crypto, and I have been buying, but now I'm certainly been buying this week and looking to buy quite a bit more, trying to find ways to buy more, because it's hard to keep on buying more when you've been in crypto for so long, and that's kind of where you always put your extra money. So let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. What do you think about this market crash? Is crypto over, or is this a buying opportunity? I see Bitcoin Cash went under $300, which is a steal. These kind of prices don't sit around forever, so don't get greedy thinking, or at least I am not, this is not financial advice, I'm not getting greedy thinking, hey, maybe I can get Bitcoin Cash at 250 or 225 or 175. Just take advantage of the moment that is, and stay calm. Nothing to worry. I see it as an opportunity. So again, let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel for future content, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you.